Hello everyone, welcome to the new video where I'll show you how to tattoo a lettering. Let's get started with the stencil. I apply the stencil stuff very thinly and then press the template evenly everywhere. Spread some Vaseline on the table and use it to secure the ink cap so it doesn't tip over. Shake the ink well. In this case, I'm using Kuro Sumi Imperial Greywash. I like this ink because it's very thin, yet as dark as pure black. Wrap the green soap and moisten a piece of kitchen paper with it. I use this to wipe off excess ink. For this lettering, I'm using a 3-round liner with a 0.25mm needle. I'll link all the products I'm using in this video in the description. The needle should protrude 4mm from the needle module to allow for precise work. Place the template as close as possible to the tattoo so you can always see it. Apply some Vaseline to the back of your hand so you have easy access to it. Let's get started. Apply some Vaseline over the template so you can wipe off excess ink more easily. I stretch the skin with my free hand. This is crucial on real skin as it prevents the skin from wobbling too much, making it difficult to create straight lines. I grip the needle module very low and support the tattooing hand with my free thumb. If you are an absolute tattoo beginner and have never tattooed before, I recommend watching my lining video where I explain the basics step by step. You can find the link in the video description. Always ensure there's enough ink in the module. I use small rocking movements to gauge the right depth. A 3-round needle is very thin, so it's easy to go too deep. You'll almost feel no resistance. So be cautious with the depth. It's better to go too shallow 3 times than too deep once. There are many different techniques, but I'll show you how to tattoo lettering the way I do it. I dip the needle back into the ink after almost every line. I'm working at 8 volts, which is relatively fast. You can work with less, like 7 volts, but I prefer it faster. For thicker lines, I first outline the outer contours and then fill in the middle. This view wouldn't be possible with the naked eye. I want to give you an insight into what it looks like when you zoom in very close. You can see every single needle structure, but this won't be visible on real skin because the ink would spread into the skin pores, resulting in a solid line, as you'll see in the other camera view. This is what it looks like to the human eye. As you can see, no needle structure is visible. If you stop a line before it's finished, you can always pick it up later. The important thing is to exit the line smoothly. Think of it like a plane taking off and landing. I'm tattooing relatively quickly here, but if you're a beginner, take your time and try to work as precisely as possible. With lettering, even the smallest mistake is immediately visible, so take your time and work carefully. It's essential to carefully check tattoo lettering for spelling mistakes and grammatical errors. Otherwise, you might unintentionally become famous. I particularly like these two. Only Judge Can God Me, or This One Isn't So Bad Either. It's Is My Life, from the superstar John Bovey. If you have a few in stock, please write them in the comments. I want to keep this video as short and informative as possible, so I'll speed it up a bit now. When choosing fonts for tattoos, make sure they don't have too small gaps. If the spaces between letters or numbers are too small, the beautiful script can turn into a single black blob over time. If anything is unclear, feel free to ask me a question in the comments, and I'll try to answer it as soon as possible. My brother and I put a lot of time and effort into these videos, and if you want to support us, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel. We would greatly appreciate it. Now I'm just cleaning up the stencil, and we're done. Trust the process and believe in your dreams. I chose this phrase to motivate you not to give up on your goals and to support you on your journey. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey.